All right, I'm here with my main man.
Caleb.
And he got a bunch of Legos for Christmas, so he wants to do some Lego videos, yeah? So we're going to do a bunch of Lego videos. The first one we're doing is, grab the box, is Monster Truck. So we will get to building. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Say, build now.
Build now.
All right, so here we go. We're going to do the Lego Monster Truck build. Comes with the, what?
It's in Waco City.
It's from Lego City. Very good. It comes with a little fella, apparently, that guy.
And it's perfect because it's 5+.
5+. How old are you?
5.
Are you going to build this?
Uh-huh.
All right. All right. Day after Christmas. Let's get to building. All right, there it is, finished product. What do you think, Caleb?
Good.
Drive it around a little bit. Let's see how it handles. Okay, well, that's one way to do it. So I think it's actually a pretty sturdy little thing. I mean, you're going to have it in pieces, but... So what'd you think? Was it a good one?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was so fun.
Awesome. I think it took us like 15 minutes to do this.
Yeah.
So, pretty fun.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.